Muriega eroreri. Ndamwamukira kiigoro-ini giki kia YouTube kia Learning the Kikuyu language with Ruth and Mary. My name is Mary. I hope you enjoyed the last lesson, which was on body parts, shigashia mwiri. And today we are going to be learning about food. Umuthi tuguthoma uhoro wa Maritwa, irio na ya kunywa. We start with itheri, that is mixed maize mixed with beans and boiled, can be also fried. Then we have mashed. When they are mashed, you can make mash with potatoes or bananas. That's called mokimo. Then you have doma, arrowroots, guashe, sweet potatoes, bosho, beans, bebe, maize. You have jogo, pigeon peas, and you have also jahe, black beans. Then we have waru, potatoes. We have mwanga, cassava, when there are many, mianga. We have gekwa when it's one, ikwa when there are many. We also have moshere. Moshere is rice. Gima, you normally mix unga. You boil the water, then you mix and cook. That's gima. You mash it. Then you have marigo, raw bananas. You also have meru. These are the ripe bananas. You have ishungwa when it's one. When there are many, mashungwa. You have dimo. Dimo, whether it's one or many, is the same. Dimo. Then you have ikorofia, which is when it is one. Makorofia when there are many. Then you have ifafai when it's one. When there are many, you say mafafai. We have reinafu when it's one. Mainafu when there are many. You have nyanya. Nyanya, whether it's one or many, this is still nyanya. Then you have gitogoro when it's one. Itogoro when there are many. You have nyeni. Nyeni are greens. There are many kind of greens. Then you have karati. Those are carrots. Kavishi, cabbage. Then you also have the drinks. Chai, tea, kahwa, coffee. You have oshoro. Oshoro is porridge. This can be made with flour from mohia, which is millet, mwere, mokobi, moyebe, mwanga, or you can even mix all of them and make porridge. You also have difei. Difei is wine. Johi, beer. You have mai, water. Yeah, we have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have learned something. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like, share, and please, we would welcome any comments you send. We'll appreciate. Niwega. Bye bye.